In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit captions in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your words and fine-tune the look of your captions so they're clear, on-brand, and easy to read. First, open your browser and search for Heygen. From the results, choose the official site so you land in the right place. If you're ever unsure, look for the trusted domain and the familiar interface you've seen before. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. Use your preferred login method and continue into your account. After you're in, head to the Projects section. This is where all of your videos live, and it's the quickest way to get back to something you've already created. Find the specific video you want to edit. Move your cursor to the top right corner of that video's thumbnail, then click the pencil icon. That opens the editor for this project and puts you right where you can make the changes you need. Now let's update the words that power your captions. In the editor, locate the script box. Change the wording directly inside that box and watch as your captions update to match exactly what you've written. If you're fixing typos, adjusting phrasing, or clarifying timing with punctuation, those edits will carry through to the captions automatically. It helps to read your script aloud in your head to catch small wording issues and keep an eye on the preview so you can see how each line looks in context. Next, let's style your captions. On the right side menu bar, click the Captions tab. This opens the design controls so you can make your text both readable and visually consistent with your video. Start with positioning. Move your captions to the top, middle, or bottom of the screen. Choose a spot that avoids covering key visuals like faces, product shots, or on-screen graphics. If your video includes lower thirds or subtitles from another source, placing captions at the top often keeps everything tidy. Then adjust your font. Pick a typeface that matches your brand or the tone of your project and set the size so it's readable on both desktop and mobile screens. Choose a color with strong contrast against your background so the text is easy to see without straining. When you're done, revisit positioning if needed. Shift the captions to the top, middle, or bottom again to fine-tune their placement, especially after changing font size or color. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in clarity. That's it. You've updated your script to refresh the captions and customize their style so they look polished and professional.